Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a copycat recipe. Who doesn't like Popeyes Biscuits? I love them. They are super easy and super delicious. For our ingredients, we have baking mix. You could use Bisquick, that's what I use. We have club soda, sour cream, and butter. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to melt your butter in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan or a cookie sheet. You want to combine the rest of your ingredients. You want to combine your Bisquick, your club soda, and your sour cream. You want to place the dough on a lightly floured surface, and you want to knead lightly. You want to pat and roll out to about a 1/2 inch of thickness. You want to cut your biscuits with a biscuit cutter or anything you have at hand. You want to place your biscuits in your baking pan. You want to bake at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. If you would like extra butter, you can drizzle a little melted butter on the top. We have made copycat Popeyes biscuits. They are delicious and they do taste like Popeyes. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.